Hey YouTube, this is Man back with another pack opening for you, and this time we have this Zarude pack. Let's just get it open, hoping to get something good, or at least something new today, but we haven't had a lot of luck, have we? Let's see. Water Energy today, a Loudred gorgeous art, Wind and Stadium, Sebstrika, Electrike there, Clefairy, Fanpy there, a Yanma, Galarian Meowth, Joltik Reverse, and let's rub the big nut. Oh my, you're actually kidding me. I hate this card now, because I already have that card loose, which means I already have that card in my binder, so I don't need any more gosh darn Talonflame V's. Please stop it. Thank you. What a waste of a white code card. See y'all next time. As a matter of fact, I already have 2 loose ones plus the one in my binder. I mean, that's 4 Talonflame V cards. Can't I get anything else? Oh my god. I hate this hobby.